You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Titan. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, bed liner, remote engine start, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.